This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Zoki Malekwa. This GL Homes FLORENCE model is in Valencia Lakes, Tampa Bay's premier 55-plus active adult community. Florence has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an open floor plan that has been beautifully enhanced by a custom-built Florida room. Upon entering the home through the full-length glass front door, you will be welcomed into a foyer with exceptional architectural features crowned by a 13.5 high ceiling. To the right of the foyer is a 12'X14 carpeted second bedroom that boasts a ceiling fan and 3 large windows overlooking the front garden. Next to the second bedroom is a full 4-piece bathroom with a solid wood vanity, topped with a beautiful quartz banjo counter, a full-width mirror, and safety grab bars in the shower. The generous 168 square feet third bedroom features a full closet, window blinds, a ceiling fan, and double French doors. Forward of the foyer is Florence's open floor plan, which features a dining room, kitchen, dinette, and great room. The dining room will comfortably host 8 persons. The 10'X14 kitchen features recessed lights, 42 solid wood cabinetry, and includes custom SHELF GENIE roll-out shelving, making everything easily accessible. A stainless steel Frigidaire French-door refrigerator, 2024, and the Bosch dishwasher, 2021, complement the GE range and microwave, making a perfect creative workspace for the chef. Gorgeous quartz counters are accented by a stone backsplash. The functional kitchen island features a double sink with Moen Brantford faucet. The bright 12'X12 square feet dinette is an ideal space for routine or intimate meals. The expansive great room anchors the Florence open floor plan, and features recessed lighting, a lighted ceiling fan, and access to the Florida room. The 500 square feet Florida room features luxury vinyl tile floors, 3 ceiling fans, and 50 linear feet of windows providing abundant natural light. The windows are outfitted with automated roll-down shades. This Florida room will be your oasis. The carpeted owner's suite features an octagonal tray ceiling with lighted ceiling fan, 2 large windows, and a 3-panel 9-sliding glass door leading to the lanai. The 2 walk-in closets, with customized shelving, are fronted by bifold mirrored doors. The ensuite bathroom features 2 separated vanities with SHELF GENIE sliding shelves, quartz counters, a garden bathtub, a walk-in shower with floor-to-ceiling tile, Listello, seating bench, security grab bar, and a West/C for the commode. The laundry room features overhead cabinets, a utility sink, and a GE front-load washer and dryer, 2021. All rooms, excluding the Florida room, have window blinds inside and accordion hurricane shutters outside. The 2-car garage has epoxy flooring and shelving for extra storage and is home to the Culligan Water Softener system. Enjoy resort-style living at Valencia Lakes.